Hey guys, Mr. Goliath here. We're taking a look at making an avatar on our Chromebook. So a couple things to be aware of. If you don't even know how to make a video on your Chromebook, there's a nice little video here under resources that will help you with that. Then I have this link to get you to easygif.com, and the 4 steps that you're going to follow are visually right there. It's super easy. I've had a bunch of students do this one already. After you do that, you can come back, and if you don't know how to change your avatar, there's a short video right here that'll walk you through how to do that. When you're ready to record, there's a couple things I want you to think about. So if I'm going to record my video, I want to start and finish the same exact way, and I really don't want this to be more than maybe 5 to 8 seconds, okay? So maybe mine is going to be silly, let's see, maybe I'd just do something like okay, there's my silly one. I would be done, but what's important is I started and stopped the same way, because on the GIF it's going to keep repeating itself. So that's what we're after. Have some fun with this. It's meant to be more playful, but you are learning some video skills as well. So good luck and enjoy. I look forward to seeing yours.